Hey there, good afternoon. It's meteorologist Julia Quady taking a look at our view from our downtown cam. We got lots of cloud cover in place for us this afternoon, kind of contrasting from how our forecast looked just this past weekend, particularly on our Sunday, where we had mostly sunny conditions in place. Now, looking at our temperatures heading out the door this afternoon, more comfortable than this morning. Of course, this morning wasn't too bad already. Heading out at the door, you had temperatures already into those mid to upper 60s. Now we're into those lower 70s for our current temperatures. Looking at our wind gusts, it's been a bit of a breezy day already. Wind gusts now clocking nearby 20 miles an hour. Later on this afternoon, closer to 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts will be expected. And just like we had in the case for yesterday, we had elevated fire danger and fire risk because of those gusty winds already interacting with those dry conditions and dry vegetation. More of the same components in our forecast today. So once again, elevated fire danger and fire risk for parts of the valley extending on over into the higher elevation communities. Small glimmer of hope here in terms of some spotty shower activity. We're happy to see a little, even though we could be really dealing with none. So we will take our small win here just to see some green on satellite and radar at the moment. But these showers are not going to truly amount towards anything meaningful, unfortunately, to help us counteract with those dry conditions that are currently in place, and certainly not remove that elevated fire danger and fire risk that we have in place today. Now, looking at our temperatures, we'll be topping out into those lower 80s. Again, going to be a bit cooler in comparison to our afternoon high temperatures just yesterday on our Sunday. We had mostly sunny skies, so mostly sunny skies means that you're going to have a little bit more of a warm up during your afternoon hours. That's why we ended up reaching into those mid 80s. Today, more cloud cover, slightly cooler, temperatures still well above average, but only reaching into those lower 80s. Looking at our rain chances over the next 5 days, they are going to be very limited, expecting our next best opportunity to maybe just see a small bit of rainfall opportunity like we're getting today. Could potentially be on our Thursday, tied towards a weak frontal boundary that could pass its way on through across the region. But with high pressure still standing pretty strong across the southeast, we're just going to continue to see well above average temperatures, topping out closer towards near record highs, or maybe record tying or record breaking high temperatures as we carry on throughout the rest of your work week here. So right now we're just going to continue to trend dry and warmer here going throughout the rest of our work week. Now we are watching for a second, even maybe better opportunity to get some rain chances in our forecast. That's going to be tied towards an even better and stronger frontal boundary that's actually going to push its way through across the region, dropping our temperatures down from the 80s on your Saturday to the mid 70s on your Sunday. Now still considerably above average for those high temperatures, but again, that's a big drop. So we could see some moisture hopefully get wringed out of the atmosphere to give us some rainfall that could be meaningful, potentially looking ahead to your weekend.